Hey guys, this is Scott Cushman. I've been asked to come here today to make you guys a couple drinks. The first one we're gonna be doing is a shrub that has no alcohol in it, but is using the Cannabis-Infused tonic. So this is actually a cream whipper. We're gonna be using this cream whipper to force infuse a couple things into our shrub. So let's start off. This shrub is called Raspberry Rosemary. We're gonna start off with some raspberries, maybe about 8, 9, 10. We're gonna take a little bit of sprig rosemary here, just one sprig. Next part, we're gonna go into sugar. Sugar in most cocktails we can. We're gonna do 1 full shot glass of this sugar right into there. We have to add just a little bit of water. We're gonna do probably double that in water. So we're gonna use this little guy that I know is double a shot glass. And then we're gonna do 1 more shot glass worth of apple cider vinegar, just to give it that alcohol taste. So if you are interested in drinking alcohol but have to quit for some reason, you will always have this. Otherwise, it's super good for you, from what I hear. So there we go. So now we have all of our ingredients inside of our vessel. This is just a normal whipped cream whipper that uses dinitrous oxide or laughing gas to get it going. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna push this in. You guys will hear it. There it goes. We wanna shake this up a little bit. Shake, 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 shake. Crack it open. It all just sounds like monsters, doesn't it? This is a Collins glass. Fill that right up with ice. We are gonna take our lemon lavender cannabis-infused tonic, put just a touch right there at the bottom. And then we are going to strain this beauty out right here, right on top. Raspberry, rosemary, lavender, lemon, sugar, and vinegar. Oh my God, yeah. That's good.